I'm going to test out is signing up for an appointment. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We'll choose individual. We have a new advisor that I added down here, Bob Dole. We can verify that up against what we have in our database. We should see room number CMSC333 for him. So we'll go ahead and click next and choose a time. And as you can see, the appropriate room number and information that we selected is now displayed. So we'll go back to home. Next we'll test out viewing my appointment. Same information here. We'll try out rescheduling to. So let's select Josh Abrams as our advisor this time. We'll choose the first available appointment. And you can see both advisors with the appropriate information displaying here. We'll go ahead and reschedule. When we go back to view my appointment, the updated information is now displaying. Next, I'll test out canceling an appointment. So as you can see, the updated information is still there. We'll go ahead and cancel it. So now we have the capability to test out one of our new features, signing up for next available appointment. So we'll choose group this time, just to get a little tricky. And the group that is suggested is October 29th, 2015 at 8:30 a.m. So if we go back to the database and we look at appointments and we filter for only those appointments that have groups, we see that there's only 2, and of those there's only 1 which is as of today, which is the correct one we're looking at. It's October 29th, and that's what matches here on our screen. So we'll go ahead and confirm that. Now the reason the room number wasn't showing up is of course because there's multiple advisors, there's no corresponding room number. So the second to last thing we need to test out is searching for an appointment. So let's go ahead and pull one from our database here that we want to look for. How about this one here from advisor 2, which is Josh Abrams. We're going to choose September 7th, 2016 at how about 9 a.m. So September 20, let's double check here. September 7th, 2016 at 9 a.m. with Josh Abrams. We'll go, and we correctly pulled back the information that we wanted here in our database, so that is correct still. If I were to show you the code for this page, you'd see it is much simplified compared to what it used to be. Now let's go ahead and edit the student information. We'll adjust his major to computer science, hit save. Now when I go to the database and I actually look at the major here, you'll see that the major now updated to computer science, and the abbreviated version, not the full text. So that's it for students. Next up is testing out the admin page. So we'll go ahead and sign in as an admin. We'll use Bob Dole's user account. That was the one that we added here in the advisors, Bob Dole. Alright, we'll go ahead and log in. The first thing that we're going to do is try to schedule an appointment for him. We'll do individual appointment, and we'll schedule it for October 25th at 1 p.m. with appropriate majors. Let's go ahead and create that. So that's September 25th at 1 p.m. Okay, and if we go back here to our database and we sort by time, here we have October 25th correctly that we just added at 1 p.m. And advisor 6 is Bob Dole, who we are logged in, so that was correctly added there. The next thing we'll try out is printing out schedule. How about the appointment that we just added? So that was October 25th, 2015, both types of appointments, and you can see the appropriate appointment is pulled up. So let's go back here. Now we're going to try and edit the appointment that we just added. And that is September 25th. Here we go, this one right here. We're going to go ahead and try to update this guy. Unfortunately, individual appointments can only be deleted. So we went ahead and removed that. If we refresh the page here, you'll note that the appointment is no longer there.